Papilitan ako. It's either I run for senator or I will run for vice president. Baski matanda na ako. Tingin ko, wala namang iba. It's all politics. There as yet of no finding of any culpable violation of the Constitution. But the fact is, they should have initiated an investigation to find out whether there was a misuse of the funds yung previously granted by President Marcos, binaba niya doon sa Office of the Vice President. Alam mo, tama si Marcos at tama si Inday. Because aside from being the Vice President officially, si Inday ginawa ng Vice Chairman ni President Marcos, designated her as the Vice Chair sa
NTF.
Itong
NTF
LCAC. And again, siyempre bagong administrasyon, the President designated the Vice President as the Vice Chair ng LCAC. So yun ang dahilan na one of the things also that na overlook ng members ng Congress in denying or questioning the intelligence fund of the Vice President. Ako, if ako yung presidente, hindi, not necessarily yung anak ko yung Vice President. If I designate the Vice President sa ganung trabaho, I would give him about mga easily about 500 million. It's not easy to, I said, kailangan kasi ng soft landing itong ROTC. It's a moribund thing kasi hindi na compulsory. For so many years, ayaw na ng mga bata na sumali dyan sa ROTC because it is a military training and most of the guys, itong mga bata, it's a Saturday affair. Alam mo, ang hiningi ko lang man sa kanila is yung respeto.
Fairness.
Kung ayaw pala nila ibigay, bakit nila nilagay doon sa proposed budget?
Mio.
Di, tinawagan na lang sana nila yung anak ko. Sabi niya, Inday, hindi man pwede ito kasi yung mga left. Yung binigay ni Marcos, yun ang dapat i-audit. I-audit mo muna at kinan mo kung may mali, nagastos ba na pribado na kamay o para talaga sa gobyerno. Then you go to impeachment. You cannot go into a guessing game na basta na lang impeach. For what? Intelligence man, binigay sa iyo eh. Bakit ibigay mo sa akin kung hindi ko gastusin? Papilitan ako. It's either I run for senator or I will run for vice president. Baski matanda na ako.